Today, we're going to show you how to replace the hinges on your shower door. I'm Chris, the glass guy, and on this YouTube channel, we'll be sharing with you tips, tricks, and information on shower doors, windows, mirrors, and much more. If you find this information useful, consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so you get all of our latest content. And now to the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is to actually take the new hinge apart, which we're going to show you here. Now this happens to be the lower hinge on a glass-to-glass door, so but this process will be the same or very similar for most frameless shower door hinges. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to remove this bottom sweep by just gently pulling down and out to remove the bottom sweep from the door. Next, we want to put some shims in place to be able to hold the door right where it is, being that the door is already attached to this hinge and is already in a really good spot. I like to use one set from the front side and one set from the back side and just pull it nice and tight and snug. Next, we're going to remove the old hinge by removing the screws on the inside. Now this happens to be a glass-to-glass hinge, so there happens to be 4, and they happen to be a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Depending on the hinge, they could be a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, or they could be an Allen key. Now that we have the old hinge removed, you can see the cutout in the glass for the hinges. We're going to take our new hinge and put this back in place. And go back on the inside and screw our plates back on. Now keep in mind, this is much easier with 2 people. Now that our hinge is nice and tight, we can remove our shims and put our bottom sweep back on. To reinstall the bottom sweep, make sure the drip guide faces the inside of the shower. I like to start in the back, as far back as I can go, and just gently slide it on. Line up even with the edge of the glass, or sweep if you have a sweep on your door. Just give it a gentle push up. And you're all set. Okay, so we're all set. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope this helps you to change the hinge on your shower door.